video about how to embed a jump report into a PowerPoint slide. Okay, so let's say I've got this report, this analysis, this just killer, and I want to stick it into my report. And I'm going to use this as my main figure. So I'm going to take a select key, S for select, and I'm going to copy this. Just copy that whole thing. Copy. All right. And then I'm going to paste that into my PowerPoint slide over here. So here's my whoops, got to do paste special. Paste special. Here we go. And I'm going to do a PDF. If you're on a PC, you're going to use in picture enhanced meta file that gets you a vector graphic, so that when you change the size of that image or whatever, all of the lines stay crisp and you don't get weird jaggies as you scale. Okay, so we've got the image there. Now let's come back over here to jump, and we need to make the thing that we're going to embed. So this is easy, and it works like this. I'm just going to say file save. Okay, and I'm doing file save for this report objects. Okay, and Jump's going to say, what do you want to do with this report? Do you want the report to reference a data table, or do you want to embed the data table in this? I'm going to choose embed, and this is a bad idea for multiple reasons that I'm not going to get into here, but we're going to do it because it's going to work real easy. Okay, so I'm just going to say embed. Great. So let's clear that out of the way. Come back over here to our PowerPoint slide. I'm going to do a right click. I'm going to say hyperlink. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this is going to say link, but either way, you're just going to come over here and select that report file that we just saved. This is a report with an embedded data table. All right, I'm going to say OK. Now, in order for me to show this to you during the presentation, here's slide 1. On slide 2, we have this thing, and in PowerPoint, if I click on that, I'm going to be able to open that report directly in Jump. So it opens that file and it displays this report, and we're good to go. We can go and dig into that report and do all the jumpy things with all the link things right there. And then when we're done, we can go to that and then come back to our PowerPoint slide. So that's how you do it. Just really quickly again, you paste something. It can be an image, a shape, whatever. Right click and hyperlink, and you're going to pick that saved report file to embed. And that's all there is, and that's how you embed a report into a PowerPoint slide.